Hi, everyone. I'm Lou Charlier, the Department of Labor's Deputy Chief Information Officer. I want to thank GSA for inviting me to be a part of the TTS Impact Summit series. Today, I'm here to briefly touch on DOL's partnership with GSA's Center of Excellence and specifically our RPA program capability. A big focus for DOL the past few years has been IT modernization, which includes infrastructure upgrades, a migration to cloud based services and applications, and a bolstered cybersecurity posture. In February, we partnered with GSA's Center of Excellence to launch our RPA program capability with a focus on automating repetitive tasks and procurement based processes and IT needs. The partnership with GSA allowed us to combine expertise across DOL and GSA to formulate a successful path forward in using hyper automation technology. We focused on identifying use cases to shift the workforce towards higher value work, resulting in cost savings, reduced risk, simplified workflows, and greater productivity to enhance our customer service for the public. So far, we've developed three bots that are in use at DOL. Two of them are for our procurement office to help select eligible vendors and execute contract options in a timely fashion. And the third is to research new products and services available via open source scans for IT solutions. Currently, we're working on scaling RPA DOL wide to save more time, reduce risk, and increase compliance. You might ask, what were some of the steps DOL took to include this automation technology? First, we worked to understand the business need of our agencies, then began establishing a solid backbone infrastructure platform and IT governance process to support our RPA implementation. We also ensured that staff received training and conducted user acceptance testing to test our use cases so we can address the demand for RPA moving forward at DOL. Between the three use cases for procurement and IT, we're expecting to save approximately 3,500 hours a year on the time that was spent for selecting eligible vendors for government contracting and determining new products and services available. Also, avoiding the time consuming and costly process of renegotiating contracts by executing contract options in a timely fashion. Though our program is fairly new, standing up the RPA capability and bot development process did offer us some initial lessons learned and challenges to overcome. One of the most important is that organizations need to fully understand the business need for automating a process. RPA won't fix a broken process or make a non valuable process valuable. You got to fix the process first and make sure you're choosing processes for RPA that add business value. Just as important as the RPA technology itself are the people who own the processes. You must involve the right stakeholders early and often to ensure the automation of the process is accurate. You also need to engage employees and stakeholders up front. There can be concerns among the staff that RPA will replace jobs. So it's important to reinforce that RPA can and should be used for automating mundane, repetitive tasks and freeing up the staff to focus on higher value mission work. And it's always a good idea to keep apprised of best practices, lessons learned, and be aware of the latest risks being discovered with technologies like RPA. Lastly, don't reinvent the wheel. RPA is a technology that greatly lends itself to reuse for an even quicker return on your investment. In summary, it's important to talk about the benefits of the technology and its return on the investment. RPA helps reduce repetitive administrative tasks, streamlines processes, increases accuracy, and helps ensure compliance with regulations and standards, provides an opportunity for professional growth, and can be integrated with existing IT assets and infrastructure. I hope this helps provide a little insight into DLL's RPA program capability and one that I am very excited about for the future. DOL's partnership with the GSA Centers of Excellence team was critical in making this a reality, and I am grateful for their guidance and support in making this a success. Thank you for your time.